right, y'all. Here we go. Upon entry, you are greeted here in this sitting room, or living room rather. So this is your front door right over here. And I'm guessing, you know, you could set your sitting furniture right in here. This is beautiful though. I like this. Like, this is beautiful along the wall. Really brightens the room up. It looks like they definitely renovated there. And here is your dining room. So you could put your dining room here. Additional seating on this beautiful island countertop. Comes with a stove, right? Brand new. This is brand new everything. It looks like they renovated here completely. Brand new flooring. You have this overhead, I forgot what you call this, but do some Googling, find out the name. But this is beautiful. Like, this countertop, the color is beautiful. Sort of like my house. You have additional storage right in here. This house is small, but oh man, look at the fan. Yeah, this house is charming. It is a great starter home for those looking to buy their first property. We'll talk about the pricing later, but for now, let's just admire the craftsmanship. Look at this beam right here that separates the rooms. It's really beautiful. All right, so let's continue to look at this kitchen. Look at the, we got the dishwasher right here. Beautiful countertop. Look at the backsplash here. Beautiful cabinets. Somebody leaving their fingerprints right here. We got the pantry. Nice sizable pantry. And this refrigerator right here. And I believe this is the garage. We're gonna look at that some more. Let's stay in the house for a second. This leads to the first room. Could be an office. Looks like an office space. We have a small little closet right here. Nice little barn door. This looks like an office, but could be converted into a bedroom. But this office slash bedroom is right off of the kitchen. So, right off the kitchen. Now, if we go through the hallway, we have a closet to your right. You can put your linen here, your towels here. And then to the left, there's another bedroom. Nice size room here. And you got a sliding closet. Not really a walk-in, but you could fit a few bodies in there. And let's go into the first bathroom I see. Wow. Wow. This bathroom is amazing. It's like, wow, they definitely, the owners of this property definitely did their thing updating here. We have the, just one sink right here, but they did such a beautiful job just updating this property. This is the better property I've toured. We have your temperature control, and now we have another bedroom to the left here. Let's see here. This is pretty much identical in size to the other bedroom behind over here. Same thing, beautiful. The paint job, everything is updated. Even this little light fixture right here. And let's go into this bedroom right here. So this looks like the master suite because of the size. This is the bigger closet, so yes, it is the master suite. It's a walk-in closet, but on the smaller side. And it looks like there's a little cut right here. So, wow, what? Okay, so this is the master bathroom we're walking into, and just one sink here, and just a shower. Again, the backsplash, everything that they put in here, the bathroom, the toilet, it is small. It is on the smaller side, and there is no door. So if your partner is looking to do a deuce while you are in the shower, can't really work. So I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So I would say 3 bedrooms and an office. So this would be considered the first bedroom, second bedroom, master bedroom. So the bathroom, this is the bathroom for everybody else. And I would consider this right here the office. So now let's go back into the kitchen through this door and see the yard. So you got some codes here. I'm guessing everything is smart or been updated to be smart. So let's unlock this door and head outside. Oh, a little jammed. Okay. All right, so here's a little patio right here, and covered. We have a fan here and another fan here. And we have a pool. So I'm assuming this is the master bedroom right here. Okay, so we have a pool. Let's take a look at the pool. Don't know how deep it is or how deep it goes, but it looks like another maybe 6 feet. 6 feet, 7 feet deep. This looks like the deeper end. It slopes on the way down here. A little seated area. And let's take a look at the yard from this side. So this is a great little entertainment crib. Great little first home. Right, you got the pool, and it looks like a little storage over here. I think this might be locked or not. Okay, so this could be a storage area, or you could tear this down completely and put whatever you want here, but this looks like additional storage. Or you could extend the house and just make this another room, or this could be an office. So you could just tear this down, maybe update it with some air conditioning and turn it into an office. This is on the side of the house, and that looks like the other bedroom right there. So you could convert that office that's already inside into a bedroom, and this could be your office right here. So we're gonna go to the other side, because there was some more on that side. This is a little awning. I don't know how much it's gonna protect you, but it looks pretty cool. And looks like there's a door, a gate to throw the trash out in the alley. It is locked, so we're not gonna mess with that, but looks like there's an alley here you can throw your trash in. And it looks like another storage area. Well, they got your trash right there. And this is a side gate. All right, plenty of storage. This is like another storage area that can, you know, be converted into something completely different. Like you could totally knock this whole thing down and just build like another unit on this property, and maybe a studio. This seems locked. Oh, this is the laundry room. So I don't know if you can see in there. Yep, you can. It's a laundry room. Looks like you got your water heater through there. And this is the garage. You can make this garage into a gym. You can store your car in here. It got its own mirrors and storage. Smells good in here. They really did their thing with this crib. All right, so let's get into the news. How much is this property going to cost you? Okay, it is listed for, skip for now. It is listed for $479,000. $479,000 will get you this property. Now again, look at this. This is like a nice storage door, right? Looks like a storage door. So $479,000. Like this looks like an add-on. So I would pretty much probably add to this space here, right? Bring this a little bit out. This could be an additional bedroom, right? You could just link those two together, like link here, this little courtyard, link this courtyard into one room, and this could be a bedroom. Anyway, figure it out. But it is a cute little spot. It is minutes from downtown Chandler, minutes from downtown Phoenix. So you're like right in the in-between. The 101 is less than 2 minutes down the street. Let's go back in here. Man, it is beautiful. And again, lock the door. And again, this is priced pretty high for such a small house, but if this is your first home, this is an investment property, there's a lot more things you can do to this place to make it your own, but right now, as is, it's beautiful, it's charming, I like it, but the price is not what I'm looking to spend. So if this is something that you're looking to acquire, let's see, they left a little bit of notes. Oh, my landscaper. My landscaper left this card here. There isn't a real estate agent, so hit me up for more details if you want to learn more. But this house is pretty cute. Cute little neighborhood, pretty quiet street. Yeah, they updated the hell out of this thing. Anyway, that's this home. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments.